Not that I would know what that would smell like, but... Hi guys! It's a reoccurring theme here with me and the Subaru in the snow. This doesn't happen very often in Arizona. It only happens 2 days in a row in 2019. And I don't know what I'm gonna do in this video. I just had to start a video out here in the snow. Snow entry, yay! So let's go play in the snow. It's so hard to have fun on this little narrow road because there's ditches on either side of it and there's cacti if you go off the edge of the ditch. And I don't want to ruin my JDM STI-TS front lip because that lip was extremely expensive. I have no idea where I am. I just drove out in the middle of nowhere so I could go down some trails. Oh, this is so rad. That was fun. Two days later. It's 2 days. It's 2 days later. It's time has elapsed. Well, hi. I just can't take myself serious with these stupid entries. Anyway, one thing that has bothered me about Forester Gump since I bought this thing brand new is this antenna that is broken. I want to say it was like 3 or 4 months ago. I had my garage door down just a little bit, just like maybe like 6 inches down from like full height, and I was moving the Forester because I was washing it and I backed into my garage door with the antenna. And it was just the antenna that was sticking up enough to hit it, and I broke it. I ended up snapping it at the base, and it's just like a rubberized plastic, like it's plastic with a rubber core wrapped around it, and I broke it. Ta-da! I ordered a Sharkfin antenna for the Forester. It's already color matched satin white pearl, so it's good to go. How does this thing come off? I guess I should probably read how this thing, oh there we go. This guy and screws. That's what happened. So, it's okay. I wanted to replace this and I didn't really have a justifiable reason before. One thing that I noticed that's really awesome is Subaru and Toyota use the exact same little plastic trim tabs, and I have a big package of them. So if I break any of these little trim tabs underneath here, I have extras. Awesome. See all the space up inside here? Over there, that pink stuff on the far right, that's the side curtain airbag that I have to be ultra careful with what I'm doing right now. The antenna is actually really close to the back of the car, so there we go. There's the nut that holds it in the bottom. So, should just come right off of here. I think. I just did some research online, like reading up on it, and I way overcomplicated it. You don't actually have to remove the entire portion of the factory antenna. You can leave that black stubby base part, and then the antenna wire that's inside the shark fin just screws into the top of it and it sticks over the whole thing. I popped the top off this screw-in antenna, the old school one, and I say old school, this car is 2015. Anyway, here's what's underneath it. I think it's because this car is equipped with HD radio and it was satellite radio compatible, I'm pretty sure. Maybe not. I mean, in a sense, it's kind of janky because you're leaving like a portion of the OE antenna behind underneath the thing and it's just kind of hiding it. If it works, I guess it works. So I didn't have to drop the headliner. I didn't use that. It came with a little tube of adhesion promoter to add with the 3M adhesive, and I know from working with that 3M adhesive that stuff is super strong, so I didn't want to take a chance putting the adhesion promoter on there on top of that and then having something crazy happen where I need to remove that for whatever reason and have the paint come off with it. So I just relied purely on the 3M adhesive and the screw that attaches it with the cable to the top of the car. Plus the thing is aerodynamic anyway, so. Before I start washing the Forester, this is an experiment out of pure curiosity on my part. This is not a sponsored video. I did not talk to the owner of this company about the products before I go and do this. I let him know I was buying one of his products and that was it. So I bought some of that Dude in Blue, David Paterson's wheel cleaner, because I want to give it a try. I was really intrigued when I saw a YouTuber started selling their own line of car detailing products. I was like, this is interesting. And so I bought a bottle of it. He had like a sale going on a few months ago and I bought some. So I'm going to give it a shot on the Forester and I'm gonna see what I think of it. And I've used countless other brands of wheel cleaner. So I believe this is a fallout remover also. Yeah, this is a touch-free wheel cleaner. Sorry, touchless wheel cleaner. I'm gonna use a wheel willy. It's just my practice when it comes to cleaning wheels. I always use something to touch the wheel with to get all the grime and stuff off of there. And because I had this thing playing in the mud and snow with it 2 days ago, I'm going to use a wheel willy. So I'm gonna spray this stuff on, do one wheel at a time, and see if it does the job. David, if this stuff destroys my Pro Drive wheels, you're buying me a new set. I'm gonna use it on the tire and everything. I know it's probably not meant just to do tires, but... Oh, it actually doesn't smell that bad. That's surprising. It smells kind of citrusy. Usually wheel cleaner smells absolutely horrible, especially like the Kino Tech, which I really like. That stuff smells absolutely horrible. It smells like an 80s hair salon or something. Not that I would know what that would smell like. Kudos, David, for the stuff not stinking. Okay, so check this out. See, my wheel weight is just a regular raw. I wonder what those are made out of. They're not made out of lead. I don't think they're made out of lead. They're made out of a really soft metal though. Anyway, you can see the color of the wheel weights. But watch, when I spray some of the wheel cleaner on it, it turns the wheel weights green. It works great on the brakes though. Like, you can see it turns everything purple in here. It's reacting with the iron, I believe. So it works fine on the brake rotors. Turns purple as most of these wheel cleaners usually do. That's so weird though. Why are my wheel weights green? It smells like Starburst if I had to put a scent on it. All right, here's the after. I noticed it does have like a water beading effect afterwards, and I didn't wax these wheels. I haven't waxed them in like 6 months. So that's interesting. I don't see it leaving a weird film or anything, but it did turn my wheel weight permanently green. That's so weird. I honestly don't care if my wheel weights are tinged a different color. that doesn't bother me. It looks like it works. It does its job as intended. So I didn't film washing the Forester. I just took care of business and got him clean. So he's nice and clean now. Meal time. It's now like 4 hours later. My roommate and I just went and got burgers. And it's like 9 o'clock at night. I just figured I'd do some meal time. Because tomorrow morning I'm gonna start work on the MR2. So we're gonna have MR2 content coming. And then right after that, I have the stuff to finish the TT's seat deletes, and I'm gonna do a follow-up on the big brakes, like performance test of the big brakes. So that content's coming up next. Oh my God, what? This package is from Knight and he sent me a penguin. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a metric crap ton of coffee too. What is this? And also a coffee cup from Pennsylvania. Oh, that's really cool. Thank you for the Starbucks Pennsylvania cup. That's really cool. I like stuff from states. I like traveling and I like meeting people from all over the world. This penguin's cute though. Next package is from Dan. Dan sent this license plate from Iowa. It says, "G'day, mate." This is so cute. Aww, that is so cute. Thank you. I couldn't read who it was from on the box. Oh, this makes me sad. I can't read your name. I don't know who it's from. I think it says it's from Javier. If it's not Javier and I'm way off, I'm so sorry. But that's really sweet. It's a Subaru fleece. Or like not fleece, but it's like a warm Subaru jacket. I don't know what to call it. A pullover. This is really sweet, thank you. Medium, good, yeah, that's my size. I wear like smalls or mediums. Next package is from Allie and Mike. Thank you, Allie and Mike. They make soaps and they made a charcoal soap specifically for mechanics, like for cleaning your hands after you're working on cars. And they have a ranch and it's called the Lazy A-Hole Ranch. So thank you. Thank you, Edwin, he sent me this little tire pressure gauge to keep in one of these two project cars whenever they're track worthy and I start taking them to the track. I'll have a large, easy to read, quick tire pressure gauge. And it's got like rubber around it in case I drop it or whatever for using at the track. That was a really smart gift. And it says he has over 250 laps around the Nürburgring Nordschleife in his E92 BMW M3. It's supercharged too. Top of that. So that's really cool. Thank you for the license plates. Next package is from Erwin. Erwin wrote in this card that I tore because I got carried away when I was opening it, that I inspired him to start his own YouTube channel called 3 Wheels and a Block. Thank you. I like inspiring people. That's the whole reason why I do this, is because the people element. Next package sounds like cat food. This gift is from Travis. What? This is cute. Travis sent me a Lego block thingamabobber. It's a rally car. Oh, that looks neat. Oh, that would make a really interesting video if Sarah and I drink wine and build Lego car things. Video idea. Yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. It was a short video and I'm doing this so I can get going making progress on the MR2 and not be like on such a crunch to get my videos out. So now I can focus a little bit better quality on my videos. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you soon with another. Bye.